Good night, they say, while others wake. Across the globe, new dawns will break. A morning smile, an evening yawn. The same bright world keeps turning on. From north to south, from east to west, our family stretches how we're blessed. Morning here while there it's night, still our voices all unite. Across the earth one pledge we claim, shining stars ignite the flame. For messages cross the time and space and bring us close in warm embrace. Some speak of springtime, fresh and fair, while autumn chills the other air. A winter ends, a summer starts, yet we are linked through beating hearts. How grand this planet spins around, with shifting seasons all profound. Though night and day may not align, our shining bond will always shine.